First, China denied existence of re-education camps and the detention of millions of Uyghurs and other Turkic people. In late 2008, they started acknowledging that there were vocational education and training centers. In late 2019, the Chinese government said detained in the re-education camps had graduated. They have lies. Camps were closed by transferring a large scale of Uyghur detainees to prisons and labeling them as criminals. The Chinese government distributed in PRC-based platforms videos of Uyghurs seeming to deny torture and abuse in the camps and claiming they were happy people and they were dancing and studying. There are also videos posted random Uyghur prisoners that confessing their crime and admitting that how he became terrorist and how he changed right now. These videos later posted on YouTube. Another example I can give that it was from the Australian Strategic Policy Institute. They found that more than 385 suspected detention facilities using satellite images in 2020. The Chinese government denied these prison-style camps and depicted that those are vocational training facilities and schools that teach Chinese language and Chinese laws